Why would a person want to play acoustic guitar ahead of electric when you're beginning on guitar? Well, one reason is because the strings are a lot thicker on acoustic, so by pressing on these strings and getting over the sore fingers hurdle on guitar, when you move on to electric, it'll just feel easier. The strings feel lighter. The other thing about acoustic is you can't kind of hide behind amps and effects and cool things like that. Like if you strum, you get that, you got to work on your playing. So that's another reason. Another thing about playing acoustic ahead of electric is it slightly brings you into the camp of having to really learn the basics first. By basics, I mean your open chords, getting clear chord changes, strumming like some open chord songs instead of moving straight into solos and riffs and licks, which come down the line. So a few bits on acoustic versus electric.